Hey guys, it's Lath at Price Action Tools. I want to talk about the different lockout modes in NT Risk Manager and how they work. And there's also documentation about it on the website as well. So if you go to the website, click on documentation, NT Risk Manager, scroll down, table of contents, and click on lockouts. Everything is covered here. So we have the cooldown lockout, the account lockout, the scheduled lockout, and then just the UI lock, which I'll cover now. So the account lock is if you breach any of the risk controls, whether it is a consecutive losses, a drawdown, daily stop, profit trigger, anything that is set in the profile, your account can lock until the next trading session. And the other lock would be if you didn't want to lock the account for the whole day until the next session, you could do a cooldown lockout, which is a really cool feature. You can, here, cooldown lockout is set for 60 minutes. So if I were to breach any of the risk controls, this would be locked for that for 1 hour, and I wouldn't be able to trade. I wouldn't be able to do anything. In fact, even after this hour, I wouldn't be able to trade either, because I've breached one of the risk controls. Say, for example, it was hit a daily stop. So what I could do then is go back into that profile. Here, this one here is Apex eval 50K. So I would go to that profile, and I could increase the daily stop, for example, and then save the profile, and then no longer is the account breached, and then I can continue trading for the day until unless I breach it again. So those are two lockouts, and the other lockout is the scheduled lockout. So let's say, for example, I don't want to trade some accounts at pre-market. I would edit the profile for those accounts. Let's say it's this one here, Apex PA50K. We'll go edit that one. It's selected now. And then down here in the lower section, you'll see lockout schedule. So pick the days, Monday through Friday is selected. And then the times that you don't want to trade. So the market closes at 1 p.m. here. We're on the 24-hour format. So we'll just enter 1300 till the market opens at 6:30. Click add. And here's your lockout schedule here. And so any account applied with this profile here won't be able to place a trade or edit the profile or anything. This is locked. And if you notice here, not only can I not place a trade, but I can't disable the monitoring for that account. So if I try to disable it, you'll see it says scheduled lockout, and it shows you the time it came back on. So I can't even disable it. And then finally, the other lock is the UI lock. And all this does is if I click lock UI, it prevents anything from being edited here. So I can click on these, nothing happens. I can go into profile and nothing works because editing is locked. And that is the 4 lockout modes. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and I will answer your questions. Thank you for watching.